All right guys, this is our adhesive tube. So this is the way the kit comes, or at least this is the way the kit came from. This is kind of like your starter kit. This is the way it came from our fastener supply guy. First thing that you do is, this is the ratchet mechanism. It only goes in one way, so if you try to put it in the wrong way, it doesn't work. Flip it over, okay? And you're gonna push the release up. You're gonna slide that all the way back, because that's what's gonna push the adhesive through the tube. The adhesive slides in. This is a reusable tip. Do not get rid of the tip. That's what keeps the adhesive from going bad. And then you take one of your mixing tips, put it in, twist and lock. Now we're ready to go. It's literally as easy as using a caulk gun. How many are we gonna put on there, Jacob? 2 on the transmission?
2, I think, yeah.
And then we're gonna put one extra one up on that tunnel, correct?
I think so.
Yeah. My brake clean works better than yours.
Obviously.
And we're just gonna cover the back side of this. It is a special nozzle. You have to buy these when you buy replacement glues and things like that. These mixing tips are unique. And you're gonna push it down. If this is in an area that's gonna show, you can hold that in place and wipe that excess glue, or you can leave it if it's in an area that no one's gonna see. And no one's gonna see the back side of this engine block, so we're just gonna leave that as it is. And again, that cures in 12 minutes. It's ready to use in 12 minutes, which is awesome. There's no shortage of having a need to be able to place zip ties, things like that, when you're doing a build. And this is a perfect example. Now we're gonna put one up on this transmission tunnel. I'm gonna put one more just to help hold this angle. I'm gonna put one more right here, and this is gonna be for our return line. It's that simple. You can try to blow the adhesive out of these tips and reuse them. They're not overly expensive, and I'm not that cheap. Once you're done, you throw that tip away. Really important, make sure you put your cap back on, because that cap is what keeps that adhesive from drying out. Flip our little retainer up, release the pressure on our tube. Okay? It's that easy. That was fast.
It was fast.